Wanted to give you an update on the plants that I purchased from Walmart. As you see here, they're all doing very well. The slowest one is this blueberry, but I'll get into that in just a minute. This first one here is a raspberry. I've never grown raspberries, and this particular plant, as you see here, these were the leaves that were present, and you see the discoloration, the yellowing, the brownness around the edges, and this plant had decent root system, so I'm not surprised that I had this profusion here of fresh leaves to appear. So this plant is doing well, and I believe it will continue to do well. Again, that's the raspberry. This blackberry was called Ebony King, and some of the reviews that I'd seen on it said that it was thornless. Some said that it had minimal thorns. I'm here to tell you that the particular one I have does have thorns on it. The leaf development on this has been very impressive, so this was definitely a good purchase. That was only $1.19. This one, oh, the blueberry. Okay, so the blueberry, of all of the plants, this had shockingly like microscopic roots. So I was really surprised that it even survived that first night when I transplanted it. So 3 weeks later, it's hanging in there, and it was only 50 cents. Well worth the purchase. I have 2 other varieties of blueberries that I purchased, so this is going to be a nice addition to that. This one is a Concord Grape, and as you see, here are the new leaves that have emerged. Those are the older leaves that were present when I purchased it. And there's again some new leaves that have popped out. Again, very good. And this particular one, I believe it says Grape Candice. Let's see, what does it say? Yeah, Grape Candice. Candice. This has really just taken off. All these bright green leaves are the new growth, and you see these tendrils. So this one has really is really thriving. I used a variety of things. One of the things I used is worm castings. I have a worm bin, and I also used a little bit of lime, a little bit of 10-10-10, and I also used, I have this Daddy Pete's potting mix. Get a closer look at that for you. A local nursery that I love to visit has, they love this particular product. It's called Daddy Pete's Plant Pleaser. It's a potting mix, and for this 50-quart bag, it was $14. And I'm using this for like the various plants that I'm purchasing, specifically trees and shrubs. And here's the ingredient list on that. So I think that gave it a boost along with the worm castings. I just wanted to share this so that if any of you are considering getting some of these discounted plants with a lot of TLC, I think they'll be a great addition to your garden. And if not, it's a great experiment. So you see there, one last look there at those prices that I paid. Altogether, what, probably less than $4. Thanks so much. Have a great day.